Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find System and Update. Right here we have to tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon next to it. So I'll pick Greek. Just tap on the plus icon and your device will ask you if you wish to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on yes, then go back to the top. And as you can see, our Greek language has been immediately applied to the list at the top, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Moreover, if you've got more than one languages added here, like I've got English and Greek, you have to simply tap on the specific language which you'd like to apply. Then let's tap on Confirm or Change or whatever that was. And as you can see, we've got English at the top, and from now on it is applied to the whole system. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon next to the specific language. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.